Hi, this is Lalita from Super GERRMAN Academy. You're watching Class 7 Hallo Deutsch. Module 3, Lesson 2, Meine Schulsachen. This is the second video of this lesson, and this video is about email writing. Meine Schulsachen bedeutet my school stationery. Email schreiben bedeutet writing email, and you will learn about how to write an email of this topic, Meine Schulsachen. I suggest you to watch part 1 video of this lection. It is available in our YouTube channel so that you will learn what are the German verbs used in this lection and to make sentences using those German verbs. Now your task is to write an email to your friend about your class timetable and your favorite subject. So what you have to write, the content of the email is that you have to include about your class timetable, favorite subjects, what you learn after the school, your favorite play, etc. And many more things you have to describe in your email. Let's see a sample email. I'm in 7th grade. My school is called Clara Gymnasium and is located on St. Joseph Road in London. My timetable is good. Every day we have maths and German. On Monday and Thursday I have biology, geography and sports. I don't like geography, but I like German and sports. My favorite subject is music. Our school is a musical school. We have music classes 3 times a week. I play the piano and I'm in the school choir. Our music teacher, Mrs. Weber, is fantastic. She plays the piano very good. She's actually my favorite teacher. On Saturday, I play soccer on the soccer field because I don't have school on Saturday and Sunday. Do you have classes on Saturday? What are your favorite subjects? So this is what you will be writing in the email, that you are in the 7th class. You will write about your school name, then about your timetable, that you will be having maths and German every day. And on Monday and Thursday, you have these 3 subjects. They are biology, geography and sports. Your favorite subjects are German and sports, but you don't like geography. Your favorite subject is also music, and you're learning music because your school is a musical school and you have 3 times music classes in a week. Your favorite musical teacher is Mrs. Weber. She plays fantastic music. So she's actually your favorite teacher. On Saturday you play soccer on the soccer field because you don't have school on the weekend, that is on Saturday and Sunday. And lastly, you will be asking your friend that does he also have school on Saturday and what is his favorite subject or what are his favorite subjects. This is what you will be writing in the email. Let's see the same email how you have to write in German. Hallo Stephen, ich bin in der 7. Klasse. Hallo Stephen, ich bin in der 7. Klasse. I am in the 7th grade. Meine Schule heißt Clara Gymnasium. My school is called Clara Gymnasium. Und liegt in der St. Joseph Road and is located in St. Joseph Road in London. Here meine Schule heißt means my school is called. Liegt in der St. Joseph Road means located in the St. Joseph Road. Mein Stundenplan is good. Stundenplan means timetable. So mein Stundenplan is good means my timetable is good. Jeden Tag haben wir Mathe und Deutsch. Jeden Tag means every day. Haben wir, we have mathematics and Deutsch, German. Am Montag and am Donnerstag habe ich Biology, Erkunde und Sports. Am Montag und am Donnerstag means on Monday and on Thursday. Habe ich, I have biology, Erkunde means geography, und sport and sports. For weekdays like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, for all these weekdays you have to use the preposition am. For on Monday you have to say am Montag, on Thursday as am Donnerstag. In this way am preposition has to be used for the weekdays. Erkunde mag ich nicht. I don't like geography. Mag ich nicht means I don't like. What you don't like? Erkunde. Aber, but, ich mag Deutsch und Sports. I like German and sports. Ich mag means I like. Mein Lieblingsfach is music. My favorite subject is music. Lieblingsfach means favorite subject. Unsere Schule ist ein musikalische Schule. Our school is a musical school. Wir haben 3 Mal in der Woche Musikunterricht. We have 3 Mal, 3 times in der Woche in the week Musikunterricht, music classes. Ich spiele Klavier. I play piano. Spiele means play. Klavier means piano. Ich spiele Klavier. I play piano. Und bin im Schulchor. And I'm in the school choir. Unsere Musiklehrerin, our music teacher, Musiklehrerin means music teacher. Unsere Musiklehrerin, Frau Weber, ist fantastisch. Our music teacher, Mrs. Weber, is fantastic. She spielt sehr gut Klavier. She plays piano very good. She is eigentlich meine Lieblingslehrerin. She is eigentlich actually meine Lieblingslehrerin, my favorite teacher. Am Samstag on Saturday spiele ich Fußball auf dem Fußballplatz. On Saturday I play football on the football ground, or I play soccer on the soccer field. Then because am Samstag und am Sonntag, because on Saturday and on Sunday habe ich keine Schule. I have no school. Habe ich keine Schule means I have no school. Hast du am Samstag Unterricht? Do you have classes on Saturday? Was sind deine Lieblingsfächer? What are your favorite subjects? Lieblingsfächer means favorite subjects. Schreib mir bald. Write me soon. Tschüss Ben. Bye Ben. Now instead of Ben, you have to write your name because you are writing mail for your friend, and instead of Stephen, you have to write the person's name to whomsoever you are writing the mail. All the new words here I have highlighted in the pink color, and I have given the meanings also here. Please go through them. I hope you understand this email. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, like, share and comment our video. If you want to watch more such videos, subscribe to our channel Super German Academy and hit the bell icon to get further notifications of other videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.